Hi everyone, today we are working on an exciting project. We are here setting up an Airbnb and I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you from start to finish. Follow me along. By the end of this video, you'll have all the steps you need to set up your house for perfect client experience. Whether you're a seasoned host or just starting out, you're in for a treat. We are about to show you step by step on how to turn these spaces into heavens that your guests wouldn't want to leave. From mastering the art of design to ensuring every detail is perfect, you're in for an adventure that'll leave you inspired to create your own unforgettable space. Let's dive in together to create ultimate home away from home. Step 1 is space planning. This sets the stage for a seamless guest experience. So we took the time to understand the type of guests that would book this house and assess the space accordingly. We considered the layout of the house, the traffic flow of guests, and functionality of each space when doing the planning. We made sure to visualize how the guest will navigate through each room and optimize the layout to maximize comfort and convenience for them. So based on all of this information and knowledge, we created a design plan for each room. This process helps to see how each space will look in the end. So changes can easily be made in this stage without any added expenses or stress. Using this information and insight, then we devised a plan for every room. In my opinion, creating these mood boards are essential step as it allows to visualize how each room will look in the end. Next, we worked closely with the client, ensuring our plans aligned perfectly with their expectations. This collaborative effort lays the groundwork for a successful setup. Now, moving on to step 3, create shopping list by each room. So once we got our design approved, we created detailed shopping list by each room. This list includes crucial details such as the vendor, the product links and prices and all of those things, allowing us to easily compile items by different categories as needed. So when completing your shopping list, consider the needs and preferences of your target guest and prioritize items that enhance their comfort and style. So from furniture to amenities, every detail counts in creating a memorable experience. Step 4, placing orders. So to bring this vision to life, we are at this stage where we can now place orders for furniture, decor, and other essentials, balancing convenience and cost effectiveness. So in our case, we did a combination of online ordering as well as in-person shopping. Whether you're shopping online or in-store, I would say pay attention to the quality and ensure timely delivery to meet your setup timeline. Step 5, assembling all the furniture pieces. So once our orders arrived, we assembled all the furniture and unboxed items and checked to make sure the quality is good and that there are no damages. This is a very hands-on step and it requires patience and precision to make sure everything is assembled flawlessly and we are successfully prepared for the setup. Alright, now comes the exciting part, step 6, which is setup and styling. Here we are going to be arranging the furniture and decor to create inviting spaces that are comfortable and stylish for your guest. In the living room, we are going to focus on comfort and functionality, while in bedrooms, we are going to offer rest and relaxation. Step 7, arrange kitchen and bathroom items. So don't overlook the importance of a well-stocked kitchen and bathroom. Ensure that these areas are well equipped with essential items from cookware to utensils and toiletries and linens. Attention to detail in these space enhances your guest convenience and ultimately their satisfaction. And now we've come close to the end of our step-by-step guide. Airbnb looking stunning? Now, before welcoming your first guest, take the time to add final touches and conduct a thorough quality check. Pay attention to cleanliness, functionality, and overall presentation to ensure that your clients are having perfect stay. And thank you for joining me on this journey. Happy hosting, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future updates. See you on the next one.